and images. So here MySQL latest image. See how much storage occupied. 6632 MB. So check list out the containers. So container created, but we are not providing any environment variable. That's why it is existed status. That is only that purpose only. I'm not providing any environment variables. So understanding purpose. So go and check once. Use different command for this. Docker ps-a. So running container, stopped container. So environment variables must while creating container. That's why it is not, it is created. After creating, it is checking DB access. So while data is not available, required authentication details. So that's why it is get back to the status. Again, you need to create one more container by using environment variables. -e provide MySQL underscore root underscore password. Yes. So create password. You need to provide password. What is the password of this admin? Now successfully created. Check now container status. That's why. So authentication details matched, required details is provided. That's why it is created. How can I enter into this MySQL container? Docker ec -it dbase dash. You are in at the back. Provide credentials for MySQL login details. So MySQL -u root underscore password admin. So directly we are direct to DB. Show databases. So these are the predefined databases. If you throw environment section MySQL underscore database, give database name, and MySQL underscore user, you base username, you can access that space. That is about DB kind of containers, how we'll create and how can I access, exit. So now we will work on Postgres container. Clear screen. docker run hyphen name hyphen sorry postgres container name I provided postgres directly. Yeah. So hyphen d hyphen e environment variables. So here provide environment variables postgres underscore db. So provide db name. I'm giving pet store. So provide one more environment variable postgres should be capital letters. Press user. So I'm providing a username admin. Providing any code. That's it. So one more instruction. Password. E postgres underscore password. So admin. Now provide postgres image name. Try to create list out the containers. So both the containers are running. One is MySQL DB, another one is PostgreSQL, MySQL. So 5432 is the default container port for Postgres. MySQL 0006 default port for MySQL. Next, switch it to container level inside the container. So Docker exec hyphen it provide Postgres container name bash. Currently we are inside the container. See, terminal get changed, right? So that is so clear screen. Provide PSQL hyphen help. So you need to understand these things. So username hyphen capital U hyphen password or capital W. And how we are mentioning DB name. So like that hyphen D. T-SQL hyphen U. So here hyphen admin hyphen W for password instruction and hyphen D for database. So database name, pet store, asking password, admin. Currently, we are in pet store database. If you have in the Postgres engine, database engine, multiple databases are created for multiple projects. But we will work on only one specific project, that is a pet store. So create, if you want to find collections means, is there any databases and tables? So use this command dt. So did not find any relations. So create relations. So create, so, so properly not copied. So, getting error. Yeah, table created. Table. So insert values for pet pets. So we need to insert values. So successfully inserted. Here file created. So 1 to 5. We need to check how we can check /dt. It is saying that table created. Want to find in detail? Yes. So detailed information about the list of relations. So next, create one more table which is related to customers. So customers are maintaining is a so next here provide customers table creation syntax and table created and insert values in customer related information. Actually, these details came from while filling our details in the text boxes, right? From the text boxes, data gets to so, for so it check that specific you, service is properly working or not. So in that purpose only, we can understand these backend activities also. So 5 rows generated. So find pets and customers tables created. Next, last one, orders. insert value, order value, orders details. Successfully inserted. So check. You can give directly like this also, slash d plus. So list of collection, list of relations. If it is MongoDB means collections. So I'll give you task today. You need to create one MongoDB database container and switch into that container and create same pet store, create three tables and insert three tables values. That is the task today for you. So next, select. These are the SQL comments. Select star from customers table name. See what are the details available in database. All details, number of rows. If it is the thousands of rows available in the DB's tables. So you need to find like this information. Next, orders or pets. Next, orders. How many orders placed customers? So that is about today class. So I given task you should complete. Was very helpful for that. So you know document type DB and relational type DBs. If you work on more means Oracle DB or MariaDB, you, if you have more, you have time, you can do more R&D on these DB related containers. That is very helpful. Tomorrow onwards, we are working with, we are going to work with Docker Compose. How we are going to create multi-container architecture. So we'll discuss about things tomorrow session.